What's going on, everybody? Crimson here, aka RammaJammaTaylor, and here in this video got a few Apple products I'd like to unbox. You guys know I did a MacBook Pro M1 13 unboxing, rather short video, but anyways, because I'm opposed to, like, I'm used to like actually building the thing. But anyways, thought I'd just get on here and make another kind of tech-related video. You guys know when it comes to making college football videos, I represent the best in the business, and that is the best in the business when it comes to college football. But when it comes to tech, computer-related stuff, like I do on this channel, as you can see, I rep the best in the business, and that is MajorGeeks.com. And get it right, freaks and geeks. MajorGeeks is the site. And here we are on MajorGeeks.com, the site that's here to excite. And it says right here, written in stone, you want the geek. You can't handle the geek. Yes, we're having a nerd geek alert here on MajorGeeks.com. All your favorite software and just tons of goodies here, ranging from various platforms, from Windows to Android to Mac OS to Linux. All this software here tested thoroughly, daily, updated, and ran through with a fine-tooth comb to make sure that you get the software you want without the pull crap you don't want. And awesome forums, top reads here, guides, tutorials, all kinds of fun, great stuff. Awesome forums. They have a Jedi malware expert, so they're not playing around. Great place to get information and help and learn, really, and it's just a good place. So check them out, MajorGeeks.com. Geek it till it hurts. Alrighty, here we are, and we do have some new accessories for that Apple MacBook Pro that I unboxed. Now, I probably should have held off and do this all in one video, but here we are with the Magic Mouse, the Apple Magic Keyboard with Touch ID, and Apple AirPod Pros. And I already took the satisfying cellophane off for private reasons and personal reasons. So we can just go ahead and get into the box here. Open up the AirPod Pros. I'm excited about these. Manual and everything, and here are the actual AirPods itself. They got a little bit of a weight to them, and there they are. You see that? Brand spanking new. And we'll actually set these to the side. So these are Apple AirPod Pros. Noise cancellation, a whole bunch of goodies in here. I probably should have got these instead of the just plain Jane AirPods, because these seem to have the whole kit and caboodle. See, I think did I see something else in there? Oh, I did. What do we have here? Okay, we have just adjustable little earpieces for your ear hole orifice, and that's pretty transparency mode, so if you're really trying to focus on something, pop that thing in noise cancellation mode, and you shouldn't hear all the racket from the house or whatever you're trying to tune out. This is the thing for it, basically, is what it's saying, which is cool because I like to tune out a lot of things. Let's move on over here to the Magic Mouse and see if there's a live mouse in here. Alrighty, and this pops out, and we have a manual stuck to the top here. And let's get all this wrapping and stuff off this mouse. There we are, and there is the Magic Mouse, and this should be fun to play with. See, it should be. Okay, you have to plug it up to sync it, and then unplug it, and turn the switch on, and then you're done. So that's pretty simple to set it up. Okay, well, here it is. Fancy looking. I heard a lot about like the scroll feature with just a touch of your index finger. I thought that was really cool. You know, just kind of getting rid of that little mouse scroller thing and just kind of having like a touch screen kind of mouse action. Kind of, I don't know how I'm gonna get used to that. I'm gonna play with it for sure and see how I like that. So we'll put this to the side for now. All right, let's get to the Magic Keyboard with Touch ID. And this is all wrapped around. There we go. And there she is. I would take it that's where Touch ID is. Pretty lightweight, nothing fancy. Bluetooth keyboard with, as advertised, Touch ID, and I believe it is the same as the Apple Magic Mouse. You plug in the cord that it comes with here into the computer, and that automatically syncs it. And if I can find the switch on here, where would that be? Oh, here it is, right there, and that's to turn it on. All right, cool. Not a bad, lightweight, portable keyboard. Should be cool to set up. Let's go ahead and. But what I do have here is a HDMI adapter here, so I can throw it up on here on the monitor and kind of get the best of both worlds with HDMI 2 as Mac OS and HDMI 1 as Windows 11. So kind of playing with the best of both worlds here in terms of computers. And I kind of thought about getting like a monitor, but I guess I don't need it because then I kind of, you know, got that. So kind of, I do have like a dual monitor thing going on. One thing I did notice about this MacBook is when you set it up, they ask you to set up your Touch ID right here. And since I hooked up this Bluetooth wireless keyboard here, which has Touch ID, I didn't even have to set it up again. As soon as I put my finger right here, bam, it just it instantly took my fingerprint, which is cool because, you know, it's Bluetooth, and which everyone should know, Bluetooth is just a low range Wi-Fi basically. That's all it is, and that print was carried throughout that wirelessly. Is pretty cool. So I do like this keyboard. It really does have a good feel to it. It's different from, you know, mechanical keyboards, as you can see here. So doing a little bit playing here with the Magic Mouse, and I really do like it. It's a good mouse. I don't know if I've mentioned it, but it's a really good mouse for scrolling on MajorGeeks.com. So you could be scrolling on MajorGeeks.com right now. What are you doing? Thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate you watching, and as always, love you guys. Take care.